Hello students, welcome back to NEET series 101. Hope you guys are ready to solve a very interesting question. But before that, whenever my students have trouble solving problems, I'd always ask them to draw it down first, give it a rough sketch in a piece of paper. Yeah, because if you can visualize the problem, then I think 90% of it is already solved. Yeah, so that's the only reason I always draw down the problems before solving it, if you've seen in my previous videos. So that's what we're going to do here. This question is about a compound microscope whose objective lens has a focal length of 0.95 centimeter and in the eyepiece of a focal length of 5 centimeter. They are kept at a distance of 20 centimeter, and the last image is formed at 25 centimeter from the eyepiece. Yes, so they're asking for the magnification, total magnification. Before that, let us have a brush up of how the compound microscope works. We know that the compound microscope is a device used to magnify the microorganisms. So if we pretend the object is somewhere here, there are two rays used. One is the paraxial rays, goes through the focus, and the optical center, the other one. So an image forms here. This image, it acts as a virtual object to this lens. So the same rays are used, paraxial rays, and one through the optical center. Yeah, if you're going to be observing it from here, through the lateral rays, the final image is formed. Yeah, so this is a brush up. So you can see that this is a bit crowded, so let me take away the ray lines. Yeah, let me shrink it so that we can have space to work out. Yeah, so if the final image is formed at a distance of 25 centimeter, then it means this is the maximum magnification, right? So for the maximum magnification, this is a formula. What do we know? We have D, we have FE, focal length of the eyepiece, we have F naught, focal length of the objective lens, but we don't have V naught, which is this distance, right? But we have this, yeah, we have 20 centimeter, the distance between the lenses. We have FE, and we also have VE. Yes, so what is a given? We have FE, we have VE, and we need UE. So put in the lens formulas. Then what about the sign convention? Yeah, so this is minus 1. Put in the known values, and I think you'll have UE is minus 25 by 6. So this distance is 25 by 6. So subtract it from 20 centimeter. Let me write it somewhere here. Yeah, we'll have 95 by 6. Yeah, so let me just drop this off. Yes, thank you. So again, now we know V naught, which is 95 by 6. So substitute the known values, and we'll have m is equal to minus 94. Do we have that in the option? Yes, option A. Yeah, that was fun. Then give a try to this problem and comment the answer below. For more resources, check out our website. And if you have any more questions, contact me. Yes, we are making learning physics fun. Thank you guys.